A double-track bypass barn door hardware kit is used when there is insufficient clearance on one or both sides of the doorway. The inside track is mounted to the wall using a set of wall spacers. The outside track is mounted to a set of bypass brackets that cantilever it in front of the inside track. One door is mounted on the inside track and one is mounted to the outside track. This allows the doors to bypass each other and stack on top of each other when in the open position. A third or fourth door can be mounted to the tracks for wider openings. A set of adjustable door stops are mounted to the tracks and stop the doors in the desired location. Floor-mounted guides keep the doors from swaying. A flush handle is recommended for the front side of the inside door as well as for the back side of the doors if required. If you have any questions about this hardware kit, reach out to us today.